Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this tutorial video you will learn how you can share your streak on Duolingo language learning via WhatsApp with your contacts and friends. So let us begin. In the first step, launch Duolingo on your Android phone, and what you want to do here on your home feed is tap into that fire icon at the top indicating your current streak. So as you can see, my current streak for that Spanish lesson here is 1, which means that I have learned the given lesson for 1 day. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply navigate through a streak calendar to see how many days you have already learned within the given streak. So what you want to do to share your progress with your learning progress with your friends and contacts is tap into that icon in the top right here, into that one. And after that, share your streak by, for example, sharing your learning progress via WhatsApp or through another direct messaging services by tapping into more here. I will go with WhatsApp, tap into it, and after that you will be redirected to WhatsApp so that you may select the contact from your WhatsApp friend list to share your learning progress with him or her. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.